Now to me, yeah. So results in nature. Why should we continue? One can show who to me now. Why should you continue?
Now I'm saying you're not your school fees.
Master, I'm for a school now. I said, well, no, your school fees, no.
One problem about Africa and Ghana is that, say, we don't do some certain stage, I'll show one. At even 30 years, what for private to actually audio, bro. And you know, there is nowhere, Obia, never pirate. I will say, no, there is creativity in skills, there is success in skills. You go like more far or creative skills, like actually say, Chinchina school, university, or any degree.
And can't say skills, Emma, you skill, you retire, right? Say me, you can't see you retire skill and your education. Like I said, skill will take you far, right? But education can skill no one. If it's all education, now need skill, crana. Yaman for a Bromako school, no. Yeah, that time I went university, I didn't be money class, but an assignment. Yes, I an assignment, man. So I say, oh no, what is school in Muno or count? But what when you formal education, when you be that doesn't guarantee you that you will prosper. If you have the skill and you have the education, there are some places you can go. So I say,
I'm listening to
right now, I have the skill, right? And I know how to talk. I've learned it. I was educated on how to talk, right? Adding it to my skill, where I can go, as a artist can never go there. What I can talk about my work, the definitions I can give my work. As an artist, I would rather to in defining work is that is education. And see, the skill is there. Skill is there. As a youth, get a skill.